Iowa County in south central Wisconsin, central Sauk County in south central Wisconsin, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Moscow Day, or 9 miles south of Richland Center, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado and $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Baraboo, Reedsburg, Lake Delton, West Baraboo, Plains, Bluffview, North Freedom, Advocate, Orion, Rock Springs, Loganville, Devils Lake, St. Park, and Hill Point. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.